what do I have to do to figure this out to get clear skin? If you think this is something you're interested in, definitely do keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it right now. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you're also battling with dry skin, and let us know of your routine, whatever it is you've been doing to take care of your dry skin. I will be with you guys in the comment section. If you think this video is of help, definitely share this video with somebody, and let's get into this video. I know I'm not the only one with dry skin. This video should have even come up like way back in November, December during the Harmattan, but I feel like people with dry skin don't only suffer the most during Harmattan. Like, it's all year round, like all year. Every day you battle with dry skin. You put on lotion, you're dry. You put on cream, you're still dry. You don't know what you're doing wrong or what you're doing right or what your skin wants. First things first, water. Water is your best friend. Oh my god, I cannot overemphasize this. Like,
just do it!
if you have dry skin, water is your best friend. Like, you should have a water bottle hanged over your neck or in your bag or something. Always reach out for water. Water is your best friend. Okay, so I went online, do a little research to give you guys a little information on how to take care of your skin. Then I will tell you how I do mine and some of the things I've inculcated into my dry skin care routine. These are the things that I've recommended. The first one is skincare experts. I've actually recommended that short lukewarm water showers or bath that lasts no longer than 5 to 10 minutes is actually very important for you. Why do they say you should use lukewarm water instead of hot water? Because it will make your skin wrinkled. Your skin is already dry. Imagine using something hot against it. It becomes wrinkled, and you don't want that. So first of all, stay away from that. The next thing we're going to talk about is exfoliating. You guys, up until now, like all my life growing up, I didn't know what the fuck exfoliating is. Like, I don't know what that is. Like, nobody even told me that you need to exfoliate. I don't know what a scrub is or whatever. I just know how to put soap and sponge and pour water on my body and bathe, and I'm out of the bathroom. That's it. So
nice.
There are a lot of scrub you can find, body scrub, facial scrub. There are a lot of them in the market, but if you want to start out first, I'd advise that you start using sugar. I'm not an expert or anything like that. These are things that have worked for me personally. I haven't really found a body scrub or a facial scrub that I like yet that's working for me. If I do, definitely I'll come on here and tell you guys, but I always use sugar. I found out that you can use sugar like a home DIY way of exfoliating your skin, and it works great for my skin and my face and my body. Oh my god, if you guys try it and you see the results, definitely come back here and say thank you. Okay, like, how I do it is either a cube sugar or those granulated sugar. Just mix it with water. Don't allow it like melt completely. Make sure that the grain, you can still feel the grain, and just put it on your face and scrub, and your legs. I have the most part of my skin that's like really dry, that you can see those scaling stuff. They're on my legs, and it's embarrassing. And the fact that I've been doing it for my legs for say about a month now, I've seen the difference. Oh my god, like my legs are getting so clear. And immediately after you rinse off, I leave it on for about say 5 minutes, and then I just rinse it off either with lukewarm water or normal water. It doesn't really matter, but you can instantly feel your skin soft. Another good thing about sugar is it draws moisture to your skin. That's how important it is. So if you know you have dry skin, try using sugar to exfoliate once or twice a week, and you will definitely see the results. Okay, moving on. The next thing is hydration. You guys, you need to keep your skin hydrated. I told you guys about water. Water is your best friend all the time. Drink enough water before you reach for that Coke, before you reach for that bottle of Fanta, before you reach for that bottle of juice. Take water.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Sometimes I struggle with it anyway, but if you keep your skin you know, if you're thinking about your skin a whole lot and you want to get rid of all that scaliness and dryness and whatever, you will drink water. I'm telling you, you will do it. It will not become something that's intentional to you, right? Like you want to have clear skin. Clear skin, like, very important. So you will drink water. Okay, so if you're team drinking water this month or this new month, definitely comment down below. Let me know if you're going to start out with this process. All right. So they say it's very important to drink as much water as possible during this period, and you already know the daily recommended intake of water is about 8 glasses of water. Now for people with dry skin, they say 10 glasses or more will do for you throughout the day to keep your body hydrated. Okay. The next thing we're going to talk about is moisturizers. Oh my god, you guys, like, I still stand by what I said a few minutes ago, that up until now I didn't know what exfoliating, I didn't know what facial scrub or body scrub or moisturizer. I don't know nothing. Like, I'm just this regular girl, you know, trying to live my life. Nobody really, I didn't even know if what I have was dry skin, or let me even explain this to you guys. I didn't know there's
Really, nigga?
there are actually people with dry skin, normal to oily skin, or people with oily skin. And newsflash, I actually have oily skin on my face, but on my body I'm dry, like it's crazy. Like, one of the best moisturizers there is, and super affordable, is the Nivea refreshing soft moisturizing cream. You guys, I have used this for so long that I can bet my money on it. This stuff will help you a whole lot. It's really good. What it does is it will infuse the skin with moisture, and I like to use this on my body when my skin is still wet. Like, I just came out of the shower and my body is still wet. I like to apply this, and I've noticed that each time I apply this, once my body is wet, it sinks into your skin. Like, it doesn't stay on your skin, it doesn't rub off on anything. It dries almost immediately, and it just keeps your skin that way throughout the day. Super affordable. I think this is about 1,050 naira or 1,200 naira thereabouts. It's so good, you guys, and very affordable. Now, if you have better ones that you're using, don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to try them out as well. Okay, the next thing we need to talk about is lips. You guys, you know, a lot of people struggle with that struggle with dry skin as well, also struggle with, you know, chapped lips and stuff like that. Nivea just released their new lip balm. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys see everywhere on Instagram and, you know, online and stuff like that. The one I've been using before is the Chapet. I don't know if you guys know Chapet. Chapet has been around for a really long time. Really long time. And it's quite affordable. It's I think it's about 100 naira or 150 naira. I'm not sure. So when I heard about the Nivea lip balm, I was a little bit skeptical. Like, I don't want to buy it. Like, I already have Chapet. Like, hello. Until I figured out that it actually comes with SPF 15. So there are what would I say now? It protects your lips from, you know, sun rays and damage like that. I think I need it a whole lot because I have dark lips and I don't want the sun to make it darker. It looks just like this, you guys, and the expiring date is underneath here. So it's very important when you're buying anything, always look out for the expiring date. And then it comes in, there's another thing you see on the body beside it. It says 12M. That stuff literally tells you how long you're supposed to use the product. So if you're buying a cream, if you're buying anything, watch out for that number 12M. Sometimes they come with it, sometimes they don't, but watch out for it. If you see 12M, it means it's for 12 months, which is for a space of 1 year. You're not to use it more than 1 year. So I think start calculating from the day you bought it. And you can get it from any drugstore, any maybe pharmacy, any supermarket. I got this from the Market Square here in Benin. I think I got it for about 600 and something there. I'm not sure, but I know it's around that amount. Okay. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is body oil. Like, if you have dry skin, you cannot not use body oil. Like, hello. Body oils are so important for everybody, but it's so important for us, we that have dry skin. I went out to get some other ones. This one is for bath and body oil, so I mainly use this for my water. Yes, you guys, like, it's so important to add a little bit of oil to your bathing water before you actually use it to bathe. Very important. You will see how your skin will be glowing, and it will help. Anything just to help your dry skin, literally, both the food that you eat, the water you drink, and the things you apply on your skin as well. Very, very important, you guys. So I use this. This is quite affordable. I think I got it for less than 1,000 naira. But the next one I'm going to talk to you guys is the Neutrogena Body Oil Light Sesame Formula. You guys, this stuff is my holy grail. How do I explain this? First of all, it smells divine, but the smell is not all that strong as this one is, and it doesn't compete with your body perfume, your body cream, or whatever. This stuff is so calm. I mean, and when I use this, oh my god, it's amazing. You can also add it to your water to bathe, like they just said in the bath. Add to water to soften your skin while you bathe. And I've also tried it, and I could see the result after shower. Let me read something they wrote at the back here. Experience the Neutrogena Body Oil. Its light sesame formula glides on easily to moisturize dry skin. Moisturize dry skin, very important. It's so sheer, it vanishes into shower damp skin, leaving it soft and silky with a radiant, healthy glow. So it's very important after your shower not to take your towel and completely dry out your skin with it. Like, let there be a little bit of water in your body, and what you do is you take the towel or whatever, you pat dry your body. I know this, some people will be like, what if I'm in a hurry? What if I have to be out the door? What if I have to do what? It's fine. If you know you're in a hurry, you don't have to do this. But if you know you have a few hours or a few minutes, try to do that. Sometimes I like to just wait in front of my door and just stay there for a couple of minutes, allow the water really get into my skin. Then I go in with my moisturizer, this first one. After that, then I follow up with this stuff is so good. Like, you have to allow some water on your body first before you apply this product. It works really well. Like, it sinks into your skin, it doesn't transfer. That's another thing I like about it. It doesn't transfer at all, and it's not greasy, unlike this product. Oh my god. Let your body dry naturally, or simply pat dry with a towel. Exactly what I just said. Let your body dry down naturally, or simply pat down with a towel. So if you have time, a little time in your hand, let the water dry down on your body. If you don't have that much time, you can definitely do whatever. Hey guys, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I was able to communicate and pass a little knowledge, and you know, to help you guys with your journey to getting rid of dry skin permanently. And definitely do visit your dermatologist. Very, very important. I would definitely like to have a sit down with a dermatologist and actually get their get more information about how to care for my dry skin. Trust me, this channel is one channel you don't want to miss. Definitely subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button below this video right now. It's a red subscribe button down here. Click on it, and don't forget to also click on the bell beside it for notifications when we have new videos up. And yeah, share this video with your friends or anybody you think this video might be of help to. And I hope everybody's doing well. We have other videos here and here. Don't forget to check them out as well. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.